Today we start electric dipole. Electric dipole, consider कि this is a bad conductor. This is an insulator and this spherical body is also bad conductor. If it is bad conductor, it means equal number of positive and negative charges are there. Equal number of positive and negative charges are there. If you bring a positive charge body near it, like induction, in the theory induction, what will happen? What will happen? This part is totally become what? Negative charge, and this part is become what? Positive charge. That is, this is become negative, this is become positive, and this is the separation between them. So this is the formation of electric dipole. This is the formation of electric dipole. Just example, in chemistry also, chemical molecules like HCl, you know the name HCl. So this is the positive, this is the negative, this is the chlorine, this is the hydrogen, this is also dipole. And in the next topics, capacitance, we detail discuss ki polar molecules, non-polar molecules, all these are chemistry related words, but this is the dipole. Like water also, they also formation. This is the hydrogen, this is the oxygen, and this is the separation. So these are the dipole molecules. Now today's topic is electrical dipole. Electrical dipole means this is the negative charge, this is the positive charge, and they are separated by certain distance. So what is electric dipole? Electric dipole is a system. Electric dipole is a system. It is an arrangement in which two charges equal in magnitude, but opposite in sign, that is opposite charges, equal in magnitude, separated by certain distance. Separated by certain distance is known as electric dipole. Electric dipole means it is an arrangement or system in which two charges equal in magnitude, opposite in sign, separated by certain distance. And this distance between 2 point charges is considered as twice A. Why we consider this distance is twice A? Because most of the problem in dipole, we consider the center point. So therefore, if it is twice A, so this distance is A, and this is also what? A. So this is the concept of electric dipole. Electric dipole means two charges equal in magnitude, opposite in sign, separated by certain distance, either in vacuum or in a medium, anything is said. So what is the physical significance of dipole? A dipole measure the strength of electric field. A dipole measure the strength of electric field. For concept, your concept, you say this is the negative charge and you say it is the what? Positive charge, equal in magnitude. Now they are separated by certain distance. That is, both are inside the electric field of each other. So what will happen? The electric field from this, these are the electric field. from here, from here, from here. So this is the concept. Here, these are the electric field. But till today, we only study about the electric field, Coulomb's law. But these lines are actually electric lines of force. These lines are electric lines of force inside the electric field. We discuss in the next topics. But this is the electrical field of an electric dipole. That is electric field from positive charge to negative charge. In the last class, electric field enter into the positive charge. Electric field originate from the positive charge and enter in the negative charge. Okay. Now we discuss one by one. Today's topic is electric dipole. So what is electric dipole? We simply draw a diagram. This is minus q, this is plus q, and the separation between them is twice q. Now another point is electric dipole moment. Electric dipole moment. Electric dipole moment. So how can you define electric dipole moment? Electric dipole means two charges equal in magnitude, opposite in sign, separated by certain distance. Electric dipole is the measure of electric field. How much electric field is strong? It is measured by the electric dipole. Anyway, next point is electric dipole moment. So electric dipole moment is defined as this way. Very simple. That is either charge or length of dipole. Length of dipole. So what is the length of dipole? The distance between two charges of an electric dipole is known as length of dipole. And either charge means the magnitude of either charge. The magnitude, both the magnitude is q. So this is the formula of electric dipole. But remember, electric dipole is a vector quantity. So how can you write down in vector? This way. This way. Here charge is a scalar quantity and this length is a vector quantity. So now the question is, what is the direction of electric dipole? Remember this point. The direction of electric dipole is always opposite to electric field. Because the direction of electric field from positive charge to negative charge and the direction of electric dipole from minus q to plus q. Remember this point. This is the direction of electric dipole. The direction of electric dipole is always opposite to the direction of electric field because electric field always from positive charge to negative charge. Electric dipole from negative charge to positive charge. So therefore, this is the vector form of electric dipole. What is the unit from this formula? Coulomb into meter. Coulomb into meter. What is the dimension formula? We can also find out, and it is a vector quantity. Okay? So this is the concept of electric dipole moment. Now we start in these topics mainly three important topics. One is torque. Remember, this is the first year topics. Torque means moment of the force. The force due to which a body is rotate. Remember formula, torque is equal to R cross F. This is class first year, we study in the rotational motion. The moment of the force is known as torque. The turning effect of the force is also known as torque. These are the first year class. Now the question is, find out the expression of torque. This is most important for examination. Find out the expression of torque when an electric dipole is placed in an electric field. Remember, this is the direction of electric field. And what type of electric field you know? this is considered, this is uniform electric field. That is, in this region, the magnitude of electric field are same. That is why this field is considered as uniform electric field. Now, a dipole is placed here. A dipole is placed here. This is A, this is minus Q, this is B, this is plus Q. A dipole is placed in the electric field. So what is the name of the dipole? AB. Charges are minus Q and plus Q. Separated by distance twice A. In the vector form. What is the direction of dipole moment? From negative to positive. So very simple case. Consider an electric dipole AB. Charges minus Q, comma plus Q. Distance simply in scalar form twice A. Placed in the uniform magnetic field by making how much angle? Theta. In the direction of electric field. So what is this? This is the angle between dipole and the uniform electric field. Now what will happen, you know, when the dipole is placed in the electric field exerted force. This electric field exerted force on the two charges of the dipole. Because you know, according to the principle of electrostatics, like charges repel, unlike charges attract. So when this dipole is placed in the electric field, this dipole experiences force, and due to this force, dipole is rotated in the electric field, like our electric fan, it is rotated. That is why our topics is find out the expression of torque, when the electric dipole is placed in a uniform electric field. For solving these topics, some background formula is electrical force is equal to QE. In the last topics, or in scalar form, force is equal to charge into electric field. This is our last topics, electric field, electric force. So first consider an electric dipole AB, charges minus Q and plus Q, separated by distance twice A, placed in the uniform electric field by making some angle theta with the direction of electric field. Now the question arises, this charge, this positive charge of the dipole experience force. How much? How much? F, we say 1. How much force? F1. What is the formula? Charge. Let in vector form. What is the electric field? E. So here force and electric field are equal. That is, force is the Q times the electric field. That is, both are in the same direction. So therefore this force is what? Along this direction. According to vector concept, both are the vectors, but this force is Q times the electric field, but both are in the same direction. That is, this force acts in the direction of electric field. But what is the force experienced by this charge? F2 is equal to, what is the force? Minus Q electric field. And what is the result? QE. That means this force is opposite to the direction of electric field. That is why this force in which direction? The force in this direction. Now what will happen? What will happen? When dipole is placed in the electric field, two forces exerted on the two charges of the dipole. One along the electric field, another along the opposite to the electric field. But you see, what is the magnitude of this force? QE. What is the magnitude of this force? QE. The magnitude are same. The magnitude are same. But the direction are opposite. That is, on the dipole, two forces act equal in magnitude but opposite in what? Direction. That is why dipole is rotated. Because you know, in class first year, if one force is here, another force is here. So these are the two forces, equal in magnitude, opposite in direction, then what will happen? The body is rotated. If the body is rotated, torque is formed, or you say couple is formed. So what is the magnitude of torque? In our first year formula, magnitude of either force into perpendicular distance. Because in first year, you see again, this is one force, this is another force, and this distance is said to be perpendicular distance between two forces. So what is the torque? What is the magnitude of torque? Magnitude of either force. How much? QE. And what is the perpendicular distance between them? You draw a perpendicular here. So this is the F1 force and this is the F2. This is also F2. Therefore, what is the perpendicular distance? Anyone? BM. Force, magnitude of force and perpendicular distance between the two forces. That is BM. Now, how can you find out BM? From sin theta, here it is 90 degree. Here angle is theta. You find out theta. Sin theta is how much? Perpendicular by hypotenuse. BM by AB. So what is BM? AB sin theta. What is AB? Twice a sin theta. Put it here in place of BM, twice a sin theta. So what is the result? Q into twice a into E into K sin theta. You know the dipole moment? Q into what? Twice a. Therefore your result become P E sin theta. This is the magnitude of torque. This is the magnitude of torque. Remember this formula. When an electric dipole is placed in the uniform electric field, dipole will experience force. Dipole will experience force, and due to force, dipole is rotated, that is torque is formed. And this is the expression of torque. So this expression of torque depends on what? Dipole moment, strength of electric field, magnitude of electric field, and also the angle between dipole and the electric field. So this is the formula, and we can explain this formula one by one. Torque is a vector quantity, therefore we can write down in vector form. You know the cross product. The cross product of two vectors is a vector quantity, and the direction of this torque is perpendicular to P. It is also perpendicular to E also, or it is also perpendicular to the plane of P and E. Or the direction of torque can also be found out by the vector rule, that is Maxwell right hand screw rule. We can also find out. So remember this point. The torque is the cross product of dipole moment and electric field. Now, another point, if theta is 90 degree, that is dipole is placed perpendicular to electric field. Dipole is placed perpendicular to electric field. Then what will happen? Torque is equal to P, and this torque is maximum. Remember this point. Under what condition dipole will experience maximum force? When the dipole is placed perpendicular to the electric field. That is, when it is placed perpendicular, this is one force, this is another force. That is, diagram is this way. This is one force, this is another force, and the distance is this one. This has become twice a. Okay? And if theta is 0 degree or 180 degree, it means dipole is placed along the direction of electric field, or is it opposite to the direction of electric field? Theta is 0 or 180. But what is the result? We get PE sine of 0 degree or sine of 180 degree. In both the case we get 0. That is, these are the two conditions कि under what condition dipole will experience maximum force, maximum torque, when it is placed perpendicular to the electric field. When the torque is zero, when the dipole is placed parallel to the electric field or anti-parallel to the electric field. Remember this point. But one more important point for completion point, कि in this case torque is zero, no? In this case torque is zero. So what is the total force? What is the total force? What is the total force exerted by the dipole? We again repeat the question. This is the important question. कि when dipole placed in the electric field, it will experience torque. How much? Pe sin theta. But my question is, what is the total force experienced by the dipole when it is placed in the electric field? Remember this point. Total force is zero. Total force is zero. That is, when dipole is placed in the electric field, it will experience force. It will experience torque. But the total force is zero, because the total force means F1 plus what? F2. In magnitude, plus QE minus QE become what? That is why this is most important question for examination. When a dipole is placed in the electric field, it will experience torque. But what is the total force experienced by the dipole? Remember this point. It will experience zero force. It does not experience any force, but it experiences torque. But remember, the condition is your field is uniform. So this is the first topic related with dipole. So today class, what is dipole? What is dipole moment? What is the direction of dipole moment from negative charge to positive charge? Remember this point, and expression of torque. Anyway, डिब्बो कितना समय हो रहा है? 22 मिनट्स. बंद कर दो.